presenting a thoughtful 33 by 39 feet single-story concept that blends modern craftsman details with clean lines. The design employs a textural interplay of white stucco, natural cedar shake siding, and warm wood-stained timbers, all anchored by a substantial stone chimney. Exposed corbels under the deep eaves and detailed window mullions define its handcrafted character, set within a layered landscape for indoor-outdoor harmony. The interior layout maximizes the home's footprint through open, purpose-driven spaces defined by exposed timber trusses and extensive built-in cabinetry, ensuring functional flow without feeling cramped. A cohesive, earthy color palette grounds the design, pairing creamy white walls with rich oak tones, natural rustic stone, and subtle green accents to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Furthermore, the strategic placement of large wood frame windows floods these textured spaces with natural light, visually expanding the rooms by blurring the line between the cozy interior and the surrounding landscape. Building upon the previous concept, this 33 by 39 feet modern European cottage features localized stone, smooth stucco, and natural wood accents, anchored by a much grander, intricately framed timber portico. This design iteration significantly expands the size and presence of the front entrance by pushing the detailed woodwork higher to merge directly with the main gables, making it a powerful architectural focal point. The revised roofline and portico scaling create a more imposing and welcoming presence, offering a better balance to the extensive landscape and a greater sense of permanence. This interior embraces a refined European cottage aesthetic with a slightly softer color palette, enhanced by diverse textures like woven rattan, leather, and painted shiplap. While maintaining the core warmth of natural oak and rustic stone, the floor plan shifts from purely expansive open areas to prioritize highly specialized, intimate zones within the same footprint. This strategic compartmentalization, featuring a dedicated sewing room, a heavy timbered canning cellar, and distinctively themed bedrooms, offers a more curated and deeply personalized living experience compared to the previous home's broader layout.